The ATK Z1. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the ATK Z1. Nice. Kaboom. It's got foam. This dongle again. Not sure how I feel about it. This will probably be my last review for 2024. For 2024 mice. Ooh, man, that's a thick boy. Wow, what is this? A goddamn thorn clone? What's going on here? What the fuck? What in God's name? What the fuck? Oh my God. What? They're almost the same. This is higher at the front. This is crazy. Worst skate design, that's for sure. Jesus. Hey, but we gotta say something here. Oh, you got a ring skate on your fucking mouse. All right, out of here, Thorn. Steal the spotlight. This foam's gonna just fall out. Okay. God. I swear there's so many, like, all these copycat companies are okay. So that cord, it's an okay cord. For the price, it's a good cord. Give it that. Extra skates, manuals. Is that it? That's it. All right. Let's sing a song all day long. Put this back in its box. Just like maybe King Kong. I don't know why you'd put King Kong in a box, but I digress. I'm just going to put all this back. It's going to be... Now I got to do this next. I'll keep it out. We'll keep it out. Let's sing a song. Yeah? The ATK coming at you raw with the Z1 in the orange colorway. Catch you guys in the next one.